Did you ever buy something for your house and think it's cheap until you realized it's secretly draining your wallet? Yeah, that was me with these disposable air filters. I used to grab these so-called budget disposable filters all the time. 10 bucks here, 15 bucks there. Didn't think twice about it for a long time until one day I added it all up. And the worst part is, half the time I'd forget to change these. And I'm sure you did too when you used them. And I'd pull them out and they look like this with dust and pet hair and some particles. I don't even know what they are. I was like, wait a minute. I'm spending so much money every year on something I literally throw away. But then I found this. The REAIR washable filter. This is a washable, reusable HVAC filter that changed the game for me, and it can for you too. If you own a home or rent an apartment or a landlord, or you have an office that you want to keep the space clean. Here's why it's great. Instead of tossing money in the trash every month, you can just wash it in the shower. Or toss it in the washing machine. And then just dry it in the dryer. And here's the part that really surprised me. I thought washable filters would be flimsy or not actually filter anything. Nope. This one's real solid. Look at the frame, solid plastic. It catches dust, pollen, pet hair, all the stuff that clogs up your HVAC. When I realized I'd been buying those so-called cheap filters that really weren't, the cheap ones were actually more expensive because replacing them over and over costs way more than buying one reusable filter like this. It lasts about 5+ years. So now I wash it once a month, pop it back in, and my air stays clean. My HVAC isn't choking, and I'm not throwing away money either. So if you're a homeowner or a renter, or honestly just someone who's tired of wasting money on things that you literally throw away, this is the smarter move. One filter, reusable, durable, cleaner air, less waste, less spending. If you've got pets, trust me, you'll see the difference fast. This washable filter saves lots of money. So grab one today for your HVAC, and your bank account will truly thank you too.